Hello everybody, this is Antonio again with another quick video, and I'm shooting this video because I actually had a little bit of trouble with the MAKITA drill bit set. This is pretty known brand. This is it has been so far a very good kit. This is actually for the impact drills. So when you open this up, it has, let me go ahead and show you how it comes. So it has a bunch of drill bits, Phillips, different sizes for the Phillip, flatheads, different type of screws also. If I zoom in here, and some of them are missing because I have them probably laying around somewhere. So it has the longer ones. You can see they're scratched up, so I've used them. So far they have been working okay for me. And it comes with this cylinder, which it comes with longer tips, as you can see. And again, this is for the impact driver. So this goes in here, you twist it, you close this, and that's how they are stored. Well, this kit here so far has been great, and it comes with these longer extensions, as you can see here. The problem that I seem to have, that I actually just got off the phone with MAKITA, and they didn't even explain, or they don't even explain it on the kit. But the issue that I had was these extensions here. You have a shorter extension, you have a longer extension. These extensions actually are only meant to hold the very small tips. Well, the MAKITA, apparently they didn't include that in the instructions or anything. I got off the phone with them, asking them why these bits are getting stuck, how they are. And I went online, I could not figure anything out. I could not figure any solutions neither. Looked up on YouTube, looked up on Google, so I figured, hey, why not make a video, explain how I got it unstuck and why they get stuck. Well, like I said, these extensions, they only are meant to be used with the small bits here. The guy at MAKITA, basically what he said was that these small drill bit or tips here, they have a different channel that locks in here with a magnet, which these longer ones don't. That's why they get stuck. So the solution, pull it really hard as you can, and it will come undone. That's basically the solution. I had them stuck like that for I don't know how long, probably for weeks and months, because I never figured it out. And I didn't know that I just had to pull hard on it. So I wanted to make this video to tell you guys how to get your drill bits for the impact driver that they keep getting stuck, how to get them unstuck. Because like I said, I couldn't find any solutions. You just pull really, really hard until they basically separate. I did this one and this one that were stuck, and I got them undone. I needed a little more length, so that's why I put this one in here. But that's how I got it unstuck. So please subscribe to the channel, like my video, share with anybody that you know that might be going through the same issue. I will also put a description in the description box. I will put a link for this kit. It is a great kit, but this is the only thing that you got to keep in mind. Take care, guys. Hope this video helped. Subscribe, share. Have a good day.